Good morning, Aslan. Hey everyone, it's Kim Dow here. Welcome back to my vlog channel. So I took a few days off just because I really needed a break and needed time to rest. But today I am going to be flying to Amsterdam with my cousin. I've been to the airport twice when I was flying to Korea, but I've never gone outside the airport. So I'm really excited to go and sightsee around Amsterdam because I've never been there before. So we are going to be leaving Denmark in about 2 hours and I haven't packed yet. So I'm going to start packing now. You know we're leaving you. Is that why you like this? Wow, we're gonna get one of these strawberry cakes. So we made it to Copenhagen airport and our flight takes off in 1 hour to Amsterdam. So my cousin's gone to get some strawberry cake. We were packing like literally 1 hour before we had to go and we were both so stressed out because we were trying to find all of, like, you know, our passports, money and all that stuff, and things are going everywhere. But we made it. Specialty from Denmark. Tampon plane. I didn't realize it before, but my cousin calls that the tampon plane because it's red at the start and then white down the bottom. But there's one down there as well. It's tampon plane. Just waiting for people to finish taking their photos at this sign so I can take one. It's really nice and sunny here, really nice. Oh, we got free water. That's nice. Let's see our view. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, an espresso machine, and oh, I don't think I'm going to use the safe. I've got nothing with me. Nothing in there? No. Okay, cool. So this is our room. We're gonna go explore Amsterdam now. Okay, I'm just in Primark again because we just saw one, and I'm gonna buy some stuff for Pride tomorrow if I can't find anything. This is so cool. So I'm just trying stuff on. I bought this when I was in Berlin, but I bought a size 8 and I'm trying on a size 6, which does look a lot better. So I think I'm gonna get this one, then sell with the other one. So I bought some stuff from Primark. Yeah, got some stuff. We might come back another day because my cousin wants to go back and shop more, and he got stuff too. We're gonna get a snack, so we're gonna get some chips. Okay, I'm back in a hotel and I'm just going to show you guys quickly what I bought because we're going to go out and see Anne Frank's house now. So we just went to Primark and I got a kind of pinkish reddish top. I got this singlet. It was only like €1 for this, so I decided to get that. And then I've got, like, I don't know if I got this color yet, maybe I do, but it was cheap. So I love these singlets. So I got this pink color, this dress. I got this white dress with the belt, which you guys have probably seen before. I bought it in Berlin, but I got the size 8 and this is a size 6 and it fit me a lot better. So I'm gonna sell my other one on my Depop probably when I get back to Australia. So yeah, that's all that I got for now. I might go back shopping again tomorrow, we'll see. So we're gonna go off now to see Anne Frank and sightsee some more. Okay, this is a line for Anne Frank's house, but we came, oh my gosh, we came all the way here, so we should, wow, Okay. Oh my gosh, she's still snaking around. Alright, so we're waiting to go to Anne Frank's house. I think it's gonna take like 2 hours, it's okay. We're here, so we might as well. And there's like some show starting over there. There's like a pride show going on. So at least we'll have some entertainment and party while we're waiting. Once I kind of was hoping the line would go slower so I can see stuff, but that's okay. Now we've got, I think, an hour and a half in line. 1 hour later, we're almost there. If you get tickets online, you can come when it opens till 3:30, but we didn't get tickets, unfortunately. They were all sold out, so that's why we had to come after 3:30 p.m. We're finally here. Alright, we finished in Anne Frank's house. I couldn't film inside there though because of things I'm talking to. So now we're gonna go and look at the pride stuff. Okay, we're gonna get some food, so we're gonna go for Thai today. Green chicken curry, that's my favorite. Change my mind, I'm gonna get the running chicken, so chicken satay and chicken and coconut curry sauce with basil. Lollipops, gummy bears. Wow. So now we are going to be checking at the red light district. Wait, we are in the red light district, right? This is the red light district. The sign there. Very interesting. Alright guys, it's the next day and last night we were just partying and stuff, so I kind of stopped filming. But today we are going to Pride, but we're gonna go down and walk about 5 minutes to meet my cousin's friends, and then we're just gonna watch the Pride from there. So I put glitter on my face for today. I did my makeup super quickly though because we woke up really late. Some random people, they gave us like drinks, water and ice cream. It's so cool.
Alright, it's party time, let's keep, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get the hands up, baby, yeah, get the
I just found a Ravenclaw shirt at Primark. I'm back here again, but it's like a size 20, so it's way too big for me. Trying on some more clothes at Primark, so just gonna get something warm to wear because it's kind of cold and I didn't really bring warm clothes with me. And then trying on another hoodie. I don't have any hoodies actually, so that's why I'm trying them on now. I actually like this one. It's really simple and fits me really well. I'm now back in the hotel and I thought I'd show you guys what I bought at Primark today. What happened was we had breakfast. I didn't film that, but then we went down to the canal to watch the Pride Parade, which is really awesome. It had like apparently 80 floats, but we only stayed for about 50 of them since we were getting hungry. And then we went to the city centre to get lunch, and then we went walking around for a little bit. So we went back to Primark because the first day when we were here we didn't really have that much time, so we were really rushed, but this time I had more time to look around and buy more stuff. So I actually got this hoodie. It's still got the tags on them. It's kind of chilly right now and I didn't really have anything casual to wear except like my leather jacket, so I just really wanted something with pockets where I can just walk casually around with. So I got this, and then I got like a bunch of simple basic stuff. So some grey tops, just a short sleeve. There's a short sleeve black one. I got this Harry Potter tee, the Marauders map. This was on sale for €3, so I was like, why not? I really wanted the Ravenclaw one, but that was like a size 20. I wish they had a smaller size. I would have gotten it if it was smaller. I also got some Harry Potter socks. I was gonna buy this when I was in London, but for some reason I didn't, so picked up this. I also got some black socks because I got the white ones last time. And then I also got a navy blue cardigan. So that's all the stuff I bought. I don't really plan to do any more shopping in Amsterdam. We're going to be doing more sightseeing. Tomorrow's our last day in Amsterdam, so my cousin and I plan to go to the museums and I guess just look around. I probably won't be able to film in the museums, so if I can I will, but if I can't, sorry about that. But I'm having so much fun in Amsterdam. It's mainly just a lot of partying and stuff because of Pride being on right now. So I'm gonna take a bit of a rest because we're exhausted right now, and then I am going to go out for dinner with my cousin after. I left my camera at the hotel, so my cousin's just going to get me some crepes, and yeah, we're both really tired. It's like 11 o'clock right now, which is not so late, but I feel like I'm getting old, guys. I get tired like 10, 11 o'clock now. So we got some pizzas because we're too lazy to cook. They look good. Aslan, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Walkies. More on game. Press the red button to continue where you're right now. Now touch the sun, don't you?
What did I say?
Should I start again?
No. Oh wait, I thought you could start where you.
Retry? Oh here, yeah.
Okay. You can only
I did
do
that one. Press the orange button.
Oh, that's it.
This one?
Oh yeah. Well, you could keep the first one if you want to do more.
Okay, I want to beat this. Press any red button. Which does not belong. Oh my god, I can't. Alright guys, so I am back now in Denmark, and sorry the last day in Amsterdam I didn't film much just because we were really tired and I just want to do some last minute stuff, and when I'm doing last minute stuff I usually like don't vlog because I'm already stressed out trying to get stuff done. Amsterdam was awesome. It was probably one of my most favorite places to visit. So beautiful. We were there for the Pride weekend, so it was very crowded but it was so much fun. We just like, you know, had lots of fun, met new people, and caught up with some friends. So yeah, Aslan's walking around in the room. But yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.